Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use if plus is blank function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use if plus is blank function, this video will show you how to do it. Here I have a name of the employee ID, date and check-in time. So I want to find out by using if plus is blank function that which employee's time check-in time is missing. So how to do it? Here you have to just press equals to, then if. Okay, then here for the logical test you have to enter is blank option, is blank function, then value. So I want to find out in this column, so you have to choose this one, bracket close. Okay, then comma. Now if it is true, if the blank is blank, if the cell is blank, so what will be written? There should be missing. Okay, there should be written missing. Now inverted comma open and inverted comma close, then comma, then in inverted comma if it is not blank, so what should be written in the column? Okay, now inverted comma close and bracket close. So now here you will see check-in time is not missing, so here okay, status is okay, and here you will see missing, so here written missing. So like this you can use if plus is blank function in Excel. If you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.